guys, what you see here is ginger wine. So let me know in the comment section, which wine do you want to see on the channel? Let me know in the comment section here. So today I'm back again with another wine recipe. So today we are going to be making ginger wine here. So as you can see, this is ginger that I blended, organic ginger. I added some lime and also honey that I blended together. So this is how I do my ginger. So anytime I want to take some, then I take one, then I add hot water, then I drink it here. Anytime I'm suffering from flu, this is what I do here. So this day I wanted to make this ginger wine, but because I already have the ginger in the freezer, I had to bring some, add hot water here. And if you don't have this frozen ginger, you can use normal ginger, but I'll advise you to use organic ginger so that you will get the hotness here, because organic ginger is the best here. That's my advice here. If you want to do this wine recipe, make sure you use organic ginger here. So make sure you stir until everything melts here. For me, I love to use hot water. I don't know, you can use cold water here. So here I'm going to add honey. I'm going to add honey here. So make sure you add a lot of honey, because after the fermentation process, you will not feel the sweetness here. It wasn't sweet. So my advice, make sure you add a lot of honey here. If it's sugar that you love, add it. If it's date syrup that you use, any sweetener of your choice, you can add it. By me, I'm using honey here. So once I'm done, I'm going to strain it here. Make sure you get a cheesecloth and you strain it. Make sure you strain it, very important here. So as you can see me, I'm going to strain it here, and then we'll move to the next step here. So this is me trying to strain it here because it was hot and I couldn't pour everything, so I had to use this cap to be taking it small at a time to strain it here. Importantly, please make sure you strain it, because you don't want the chaff in the wine here. You want to have a very clear wine here. You don't want to see any chaff in the wine. So make sure you get a cheesecloth and then you strain it very well. So as you can see, guys, this ginger is very hot, very, very hot. This is like organic ginger. Me, I love to use organic ginger. You see all this big ginger, guys, if you use it to cook, you don't even taste it's not good at all. So me, I always buy organic ginger. That's what I buy here. It's expensive, but guys, it's good. It's the best here. So here, once you are done, I'm going to pour it into my jar, the one that I'm going to use. At this point, I have allowed it cool down though. So here at some point I needed more of the honey, so I added it here. So I'm going to pour it into the jar. So I added yeast. You can omit this yeast here. It's optional here. If you don't want it, you can omit it, but I wanted to add it here, so you can omit it. And make sure you stir very well. Make sure you stir it very well, because it helps with the fermenting process here. Guys, I fermented this thing for like more than 10 days, and guys, the more you ferment it, the more it becomes very strong. If you don't take care, if you leave it for like more than a month, yeah, this thing can turn into alcohol. Please don't, if you are not an alcohol person like me, don't allow it ferment for a longer time. Yeah, because this is the same way they do all this alcoholic wine that we drink here. They ferment it for a longer time. The longer you ferment it, the longer the alcohol percentage becomes very high here. So at this point, as you can see, I made a mess here. So at this point, we are going to be covering this and leave it for it to start fermenting here. So guys, I left it for like 10 days here. So at some point, I'm going to pour it into my wine bottle. Yeah, that's where I finish the fermentation process here. So as you can see, we are done here. So we are going to leave it for like 10 days. Yeah, I fermented it for like 10 days. Yeah, this was like how long I fermented for 7 days, but I didn't have time, so I had to ferment it for a longer time. I think it was even more than 7 days here. So this is me. So make sure you use something else to cover it, because the pressure can open it. So make sure you use something else to cover it here. So as you can see, this is me removing everything here. So I can't wait to taste it, guys. At this point, I wanted to taste this wine. So guys, as I said, let me know in the comment section which other wine do you want to see on the channel. Yeah, I have brought a lot of wine recipe here. You can start if you have programs like parties, funeral, anything that you have, you can use this. Yeah, you can make this. Yeah, instead of going to the shop to buy, you can make. You know what? There are lots of wine recipes. So let me know in the comment section which recipe or which wine you want to see again on the channel, and I'm going to deliver to you. Yeah. So at this point, we are going to be tasting it, guys. I wanted you to hear the sound, but I was listening to something at the background. So because of copyright, guys, you could see that. You see that, guys, this thing has really fermented, but not to the extent of turning into alcohol. No, no, no. Because I don't take alcohol. Yes. So at this point, we are going to be serving ourselves. Yes. So guys, I'm going to serve myself. Yeah. You know, my husband will not never drink things like this. Yeah. You know, he doesn't believe me, you guys. He doesn't believe in my recipes, but I believe in myself, guys. See this. See how, guys. I'm so proud of myself, guys. Rate me in the comment section, guys. And if you have never tasted ginger wine, guys, try it and you're going to love it, guys. See the mess this thing made. I had to clean before I continue with my filming, guys. What is this? Because, guys, I allow it to ferment. I fermented it for a longer time, yeah, because I didn't have time to do the video and then to open it. I didn't have time yet. So guys, as you can see, this is our ginger wine. So rate me in the comment section. How would you rate this ginger wine? It was good. It was good. Just that there was no like sweetness in there. There was no sweetener in there. So if you want, maybe you can add, or you can add sweetener, sugar or honey. Yeah, it's up to you. But me, I'm going to drink it like that. And guys, after drinking it, I could feel the hotness in my belly. This ginger is so hot, very, very hot. So my advice, always use organic ginger. And guys, this wine was so good. It's so good. At this point, I was drinking it. Yeah, you see me, I nearly finished it. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, this is the end of the video. So if you're seeing this video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification bell, so anytime I upload any videos, you will be notified. And guys, let me know in the comment section which wine do you want to see again on the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.